Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video here I am going to showing that how to create a YouTube channel in your device. And at first of all just open your YouTube application. And now you can see this is our YouTube interface. And in the top of our YouTube interface you can see a profile icon and just tap on this profile icon from here. And now you can see option sign in. And if you have been already using a Google account, use this Google account for sign in your YouTube. And now you can see option UI channel and you want to just tap on this your channel option from here. And now you can see a new interface has been appeared here and now you can see option how you will appear. And at first of all you need to enter your name from here, and for example here I am typing like this ABC, and in the below you can see option handle name, and you just tap on this pencil icon from here and just edit the name if you want. And now you can see I have been entered the handle name also. And our final step is we need to just add a profile picture or a logo for your YouTube channel. And after that just tap on this camera option from here, and after that select this choose from your photos. And after that select the logo which you want to set as your DP, and here I am selecting one of the logo from here. And after that just tap on the save option from here, and now you can see our profile picture has been loading here. And after that our final step is just tap on this create channel option from here. And now you can see we have been created a YouTube channel. And after in the profile icon here you can see option edit option, and you just tap on this edit option from here. And after that now you can see your name, handle name and channel URL descriptions and etc. And at first we need to enter a description from here, and you want to just tap on this pencil icon near to your description. And after that just add some of the things from here. Hi guys. And after that just tap on the save option from here. And now you can see we have been added our description. And now let's see how to upload a video for your YouTube channel. And in the below at first of all you need to go back to your home interface, and after that in the below you can see option create and just tap on this create option from here. And after that you can see more of the options are here: create a shorts, create a video, go live and create a post. And you want to just tap on this create a short from here. And now you can see our camera has been enabled, and if you want to record from your camera you need to just long press your red dot from here, or otherwise you can also choose the file from your gallery, and here I am tapping this gallery option from here. And after that select one of the file I want to upload, and after that just tapping this done option from here. After that once again select this tick option from here and just tap on this next. And if you want to edit all the video section in the below you can see the sound, text, voiceover and etc. And I have been skipped this option from here, and now you can see add details option has been arrived here. And here you need to enter your title from here, and here I am typing like this. And now you can see our title has been added here, and after that in the below you can see more of the option: visibility, location, select audience and etc. And if you want to schedule your shorts in your YouTube you need to just tap on this visibility option from here, and in the below you can see option schedule and just tap on the schedule, and after that you can see option for setting the time and date for your scheduling your shorts. And otherwise you can also enable this public now, and after that just go back to your interface, and after that just tap on this upload shorts from here.